Heidi, we need to start the tutorial. Say hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a eye makeup tutorial and I have the assistant of my lovely headdress, Kaleidoscope, the rainbow Lorikeet. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below for any suggestions or things you'd like to see in my next video. Also tap the notification bell so you receive a notification each time I upload a new video. And let's get into the tutorial. So I've already exfoliated and moisturized my skin. I've actually been using a really interesting combo I made myself at home. It's very DIY. You can make it yourself just using basic kitchen essentials. Everyone probably has them in their cupboard. So the scrub I've been using for about a week, which has been really nice for exfoliating and super cheap. Had bicarb soda, brown sugar, honey, 2 drops of peppermint oil, 1 drop of lemon oil, which is especially good if you get oily skin or are prone to getting pimples or blackheads. Dash of apple cider vinegar with the mother, make sure that's included. 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And I think that was about it. Did I mention honey? Had a big helping of honey, little sprinkle of cinnamon, and that has a little bit of warmth to it, so it'll help to warm up your pores and get deep down and remove all that dirt. So I'm going to be using this Rimmel Stay Matte primer today. Taking my trusty beauty blender, I'm just going to moisten that so it expands. Going to be mixing 2 colours today to get the correct match for my current skin. Make sure you get your ears and down your neck so you don't have any weird lines or mismatched colours. Next up we have concealer, and I'm using one of my faves. It's the Boing Airbrush Concealer by Benefit. Taking my Revlon Loose Finishing Powder. This one is in the shade Light. Well, that was a disaster. Hashtag the struggle is real. Camera just fell off and knocked all my stuff. So before I was so really interrupted by my camera fail moment, let's move on to setting down the face. Taking my BYS Sculpt and Glow palette and just using the rose shade, which is that pink shade in the palette. Mix those 2 highlighter shades. Setting spray just to make everything settle and melt into the skin. Taking my Revlon Not Just Nudes palette and going to be dipping into this Bone shade. Dipping into that caramel shade, we're going to add that into the crease to add a little bit of depth and dimension. I have this mini quad BYS palette I haven't used in a long time. It's a bit haggard. Moving right along to the next colour, I have this Shoot and Mirror Duo, and this one has a really beautiful electric blue shade. I'm going to be deeping up that outer corner using this chocolate brown shade. Next we want to highlight the inner corners. I have these really cool lashes by Nicola Cosmetics. They're magnetic, which is crazy, but they work really well without having to worry about the dry time and glue. So let's pop these babies on. If you want to see how to apply magnetic lashes, I'll leave a link below to a previous video. Do you want to say hello? Oh! That was a part of the plan. What's that? Oh, getting all fluffy for the camera. Kisses? Oh, I did another poo. You're cracking yourself so much.